Sawadee ka. So today we're on our way to pick up Amala and Anila because we are planning to go to IKEA. Just want to browse around, and also it's the long weekend over here in the States, so there should be some sales hopefully going on. It should be the 4th of July sale. It could take us around, would you say an hour?
Maybe 45 minutes or so.
45 minutes to get there, and then just gonna spend the day there looking around for stuff. And also we're going to have the Swedish meatballs. That's the one highlight. We always like to have the Swedish meatballs every single time we go to IKEA. They have a really good selection of food. Now on our way to go get Anila and Amala, and I'll show you guys around when we get to IKEA. Like we are here. This whole area is full of furniture stores and some bigger retail stores as well.
In 1,000 feet, you will arrive at your destination. You've arrived.
Yay! We've arrived. IKEA. Okay, we just found a parking. There's actually quite a bit of people out here in IKEA. I guess they're all trying to take advantage of the last day of sales. Anyway, we're walking towards the entrance to IKEA now. And hopefully we'll be able to pick up some cool stuff for the house. There's still a lot that we want to do to the house. We want to fill up some of the guest rooms with some new furniture, so hopefully we'll find something. This is my dream kitchen right here. Look at this.
Yeah.
The stove is so nice. The hood.
Yeah.
Need a new hood.
Let's see.
Oh, it's working? I think they just went ahead.
See, this is what I'm talking about, like the shades, like that.
Yeah.
They're nice and clean.
So pretty. That's nice.
Oh my God, there.
Yeah. Look at all these compartments for storage. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, see.
For the plates and
I like it.
a lot of storage. I like it too.
손들 말해 호랑호랑 시작하는 노르라 얘들아.
This painting is so pretty. How much is it? $69. This would look quite nice at the back of the sofa. A nice little living room slash study space. Oh my god, that's so nice. Look at the dark cabinets on that kitchen. I really like this counter.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
Oh, so but countertops you add for 38,
438,
and
yeah.
appliances you add that much, but you don't really
What
need
appliances?
appliances.
Like sink?
Maybe. No, this is not it. This,
Gotcha, okay.
like this is the dishwasher.
Yeah. So you just turn it on like this,
Yeah,
and then you close it.
yeah. This is really nice.
Oh, look at light. You open it.
That is so cute.
The bottom
I like the
ones.
lights.
See, look.
Yeah, very cool. So we've been toying with the idea of renovating our kitchen with IKEA fitted cabinets and cupboards with the kitchen fitting. It looks really nice, and of course kitchen renovation is usually very expensive, but I think the IKEA ones, especially with like some of the models that they came up with, is a lot more durable. It seems more durable, and the price point is really good as well. For the whole set here, excluding the appliances, is around 4,000 something, 4,419.
This is the island.
Yeah. Wait, is it movable?
No, stationary.
It's stationary. No, this is the sink that I like. So nice. It's 179. Amala, I like this sink. It's like so big.
Oh, this color, yeah.
Mouse, the kitchen
Yeah.
island ki mat dechero.
Island tea le yo de apo.
Kitchen combination includes cabinets, fronts, handles, interior fittings, hinges, cover panels,
Plinths.
legs. The island
It's pretty cool. And for everything, including the appliances, is that much. Looks like we already got a bunch of stuff. So this is the last part of the IKEA, where you can just find small things for the house, in the kitchen, in the bedroom and stuff like that. Probably after this we'll go for our meatballs, but we already put in our name to be in the line because of COVID restrictions. We shouldn't be in the line waiting, so we're waiting to be called so that we can have our Swedish meatballs for lunch. Okay, so we're in line now to get into the food court. There's a bunch of people ahead of us waiting, but you're supposed to wait for your confirmation code in order to get in because of the new COVID regulations. But as you can see, here's the line, and we're waiting to get to that lady over there, check in, and then we can go in and eat. And this is the menu. We're definitely going for the meatballs. You as well, right, Anila? So 4 meatballs.
So the line does start this way with the yellow dot, and when you're done, if you put your chair forward, it lets our busser know to sanitize the table. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, Here's the food. Swedish meatballs, some fries, and Anilada's having some veggie meatballs. Okay, so we're nearing the end of the IKEA showrooms now. This is the plant section. We just have to go and pick up like something that we saw. It's like a shoe rack or something. So that is where we're heading now, and then we're gonna check out, and then we're gonna head home. Had to go to 26, babe. Aisle 26, bin 26. Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Bin 26.
This is the aisle. This is, yeah, 26.
Oh yeah, right here.
Where?
No, I think they have one left.
Where?
Right
Is that it? Oh my god, that's lucky. Will it fit?
Yeah.
Maybe you can put it underneath. Underneath the trolley.
So what's the number? 603?
1 minute. It's 701 52702.
No, that's not it then. This is it.
No, babe, this is not it. That's not it. What a shame. It looks like the shoe rack that we are looking for is out of stock, so oh well. I guess we'll just have to check out the rest that we have in the cart. Hey guys, so we are heading home now. Just got done at IKEA. Oh, managed to get a few stuff for the kitchen, and now we're heading home. It's around 38 minutes to get home. So yeah, been a really good day. Managed to find some good cheap deals. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.
In 1,000
Bye.
feet at the traffic